Hello and welcome to a Jaseowns stream. We're starting a little bit early. It is website Wednesday. Remix.run, JavaScript. Hello if you play UO. Hello if you program. Chase K, what an opportunity to do website and control Delirious. Good call on the website Wednesday. L Holt, the DDoSers boycotting gaming streak. Yeah, it's unfortunate that people suck. Outlands is currently under attack. It's not me. I'm sure I'll get some blame. AKA Blankety already blamed me. All right, let's hop right into it. Boom, transition. I'm in a work shirt and everything. Golly, it's like I just got home from work or something. Now I'm gonna work some more. We stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9. But I'm on a challenge, a little challenge for myself and the community to stream every day until I don't. We're on day 6. 6 days in a row? That's not bad. Oh, tomorrow's gonna be the tricky one. Also, website Wednesday looks a little off, Jace. Like, can you fix it? It's bothering me. Now that's too far. Too far, Jace. Maybe. There. Much better. How the turns of table. Yeah. Exactly. If I can't have Outlands, no one can. And not that this is a plug for another server or anything, but I'm using another server that's online to use the skills. Because if you guys remember, what we were working on is I wanted to be able to copy all the skills from Razor and then paste it into the website. And it looks like this. I go to build. This is the old one. If I copy all from the Razor and I just paste it in, it fills in the build. Okay, so where we left off on mine, I need to go to localhost here. I was working on this whole form and I was like, well, shit, I need to make sure that we can do that, blah, blah, blah. And so that evening I actually set up this example. So now I can paste it in just like we were doing on the other website. So when I paste it in, it parses out the skills. So we got this all set up now. So we've migrated over at least that functionality into the new framework. And now we want to add it to the actual, you know, we want to make it pretty and functional. Oh, the Jennas, yes! Software and development, my kind of stream. Appreciate you. Making sure you're getting the views by killing the server just before you go live. That's on me. Yeah. You guys better watch out. Okay, I'm coming for you. Anyway, so we're just going to kind of work on this. Again, do I need to be live to do this? Absolutely not. But I figured, well, actually, I told this last stream. I'm actually way more nervous doing this type of stream than I am doing like the Razor streaming. Because this, I feel like I'm judged, you know? Question for the Dexter Tamer. Bot pretty good one by Jaseowns. I'm using all one slot pets, but the script isn't using focus aggression for some reason. Do you have a crook emo lasher? I would copy and paste it again. I feel like. Do they need to be the same type of pet? No. You just need to have a pet, and then you need to have at least one herding skill. You need herding. Do you have any herding skill? Damn, you're 5 seconds behind. Refresh the stream. If the time doesn't match here, then you're either behind or you live in a different time zone. My teeth yellow? I need to brush my teeth. I did just have I had Muya burger for dinner. Is it still in there? I think it's still in there. Anyway. Yeah, it should be working, Emo Lasher. I would say... Oh, yeah, that's another thing. You need to be in war mode. Yeah. If you're using this guy right here, it only does it if you're in war mode. You gotta go, woo, war mode. And then it knows you're ready to fight. Look at us. We're solving problems. Okay. So again, the goal of the stream today is just kind of continue on the website. Last time I bit off a little more than I could chew, and it was my first website streaming experience. And so this time we're going to make sure we break down the problem. So if we look at the old system, right? The idea was I needed to be able to paste in the skills. So we have that now, right? That's good. The other thing is we need to show a template potentially, but also the drop down of a skill. And then when we apply it, we want that skill to pop out of this list into the array. So we're going to work on that now. We're going to skip this template selector right now, but we're going to make sure that we can display a list of skills. And then when we hit apply, it pops it out of this list and into our build list. Sound good? So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna make sure that we could do apply on this alchemy and it will pop it into a list. And remember, this is a whole big form. I'm gonna just break it into its own little thing because that's another thing I was doing wrong is like, I'm trying to do too much at once. And so we're just gonna make our own little web page for our own little form build for this guy. If that makes sense. And also behind me is this thing that keeps flashing. Stop flashing me. There, we'll put on the alerts so that way if someone says squirrel, we could see a giant squirrel. Never. The server's back up, boys. All right, we'll see you guys. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to like before you leave. Like before you leave. I should have that be my tagline. Like before you leave. Liked. Appreciate it, Emo Lasher. Do likes help more people see the stream? I have no clue. I think so. I don't know how algorithms work. Maybe you should post the link in Outlands and beg for likes. I could do that. I do that every UO stream. I do that in the player screenshots. Don't worry. I definitely do that, Emo Lasher. You should also join my Discord and get the announcement that I ping. Look. Here, I'll give you an example of the Discord here. So like this is the Outlands Discord, which B-Trip, I need to watch his videos. He's been on a roll with posting videos. He's trying to take my job. They took our job. B-Trip, I don't know who you are, but I like your icon. And I like that you're talking about Razor. But anyway, whenever I post a video, I do post it here. So see, look, you get my spam inside of here. Me and Ponsar and B-Trip. See, look at this guy. B-Trip. He's trying to take my job. Anyway, the other Discord is my Discord. And I post at live every time. So make sure that you join the Discord, and then you have to hit roles and notifications, and you got to like subscribe into my live thing. Okay. 38 people, 2 of them are me. So 36 people should have got this little ping. 6 days in a row, website returns. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Well, let's get started. It's 7:02, Jace. You've done nothing. Maybe general if that's loud. No, I'm not. No, I'm not typing in general. Spio 3 because O2 was taken. Hello. I wear boots. Hello. All right, so again, we're gonna take this little thing and we're gonna put it in its own file. So example is the I'm just going to rename these for now. We'll fix them later. But the example is actually the copy pasta example. We're just going to rename that copy pasta example. And I just want to make sure that it still works. Copy pasta example. Okay, perfect. And then we'll just copy paste this other one. And then we're going to name this one the skill list example. And again, I'm just trying to break out some of the logic that I had. I was doing too much in this new thing. And so we're gonna get it out of there. So this is the skill bar shit that we wanted, but basically I'm gonna take this stuff. Boom. And we're gonna go over here to skill list example. I'm gonna get rid of all this shit. I'll paste it there, Jace, come on. Skill list. We're gonna name it skill list. And again, I don't know how to program in front of people, so I don't do that. Gerben, hello, welcome to the stream. Be sure to like before you leave. Anyway, so we just want to make sure that we are looking at these skills. And then we're going to want to output the skills after they get parsed. Okay, so this is the parsed array. And the other one, we're just going to leave that as it is. Shit, maybe I should just add it to the other one. I'm trying to separate them out, but maybe I don't need to separate them out. Maybe I should just continue on my example. This is why live streaming is hard. Because now I'm undoing what I just did. I'm deleting this. And I'm just going to leave it example. Look it. I'm going to cancel all this out. I'm going to run dev. What am I going to leave for? Playing Outlands? Is it still down? I see you choose the stream life over family. Fuck yeah. I mean, potentially, yes. But today is a scheduled stream. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 to 9 is like wife, family approved. I'm not going to be there. It's the other days where I'm pushing the limits of being a dad and a husband. So this is an approved stream. Tomorrow, though, that's going to be the spicy one. Do I do it early before everyone's awake? Or do I do it after everyone's asleep and don't get sleep? We'll find out tomorrow. All right, anyway. So going back to our code here, golly gee willikers, Jace. So this is the pasting. Again, I'm using there's another server that's online. I'm taking that, copy paste. We've pasted out the skills. That's great. That's fantastic. That's what we want to see. So the other thing I want to do now is do this part where I select something and I apply it and it adds it. Let's do it. We got this. I believe in us, guys. Let's make some progress. Where the hell? What is this window? Video. Let's not click at the video.html. What is that? Tomorrow you go rogue. Exactly. The Genesis is on test, guys. He's on test. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. The spicy channel VODs, exactly. Never push the code. Never push the code on Friday. That is all I know. So true. Works on my machine. Okay, Jace. So again, we're gonna try to take these. We're gonna place it in the example. Boom. And now we just need this skill selection to show up, which we've already wrote a function for in the other one, which is fantastical. We're pasting this in. We're pasting the code in. We need the skill type. I'm going to hit control period on the keyboard, and that's going to import the skill, which is great. That's what we want to see. And now this is like, hey, what the hell? I need data. I need the data being loaded, right? And so the data comes from the remix loader, which is this wonderful guy right here. Where is he? Where the hell's the data? WTF, mate. Where's the data? Is this use loader data? Of course it is. So we go up to the little tippy top of our function here, and we want to use the loader data. And then loader data needs to be imported. So I do control period. We're importing that from remix. Loader data is going to be a type that we're going to add up. We're going to add into it. I'm just going to steal it from here. This is all programming is. It's stealing code from other places. At least that's how I do it. You might do it another way, but... it's all good. James Meyer says the server is up. Dang, the DI is still going on. Time to find something else to play, I guess, tonight. I don't know. It might be up. Here, I'll check for you guys. I'll check live on stream. It sure as shit is up. Look at that. All right, so let's make sure that my code works. Skills, copy all. This is what it looks like at the old one. It's not going to work right now because I added some code that's not ready to be tested, Jace. Come on. What are you doing? Breaking shit is what we're doing. It reverted back to before you started corpse writing? Perfect. So it was you all along, Gerburn. Hashtag disrespectful. Skills. Something went wrong. Control-Shift-I. It returned a 500 error, which is fine, but why? Because I'm missing the actual data loader. Jace. That's meta. Loader. Damn it, now see... So here's my problem. Now I want to go back to this other one, because I'm like, well shit, I already set up the authentication in the other one. I already did all the other shit that I wanted to do. Like, why am I making this hard on myself, you know? You Googled how to DDoS. Now I'm second guessing everything I'm doing. Again. This is why I don't like, this is why the website, I know that once I get better at this, once I realize what I need to just set a goal and have it ready to go. I need to stop talking and just do it. Got this, Jace. I believe in you. Okay, so that loads now. Use the old post-it note Kanban board. Yeah, exactly. What are you working on today? For a while, like stream, I think like around stream 80. Stream 80, I was trying to do like Monday board and a Jira board. And it was a little rough. Jason, did you ever post up and scam people at the Britain Bank? 100% I did. I was scammed at the bank as well. What am I doing? Or do a trade exploit to make them drop their stuff. Yeah, I try to do that thing where you put too many items in the backpack and then it like makes them drop shit. I definitely have done that. Definitely done that. Was it done to you first? 100%. Yeah, no, somebody did it to me first, and then that's when I realized you could do it to other people. Yeah, no, I did not think of that. No way. No, somebody got me with it. Same thing, like you used to be able to like you used to be able to change like a black dye tub. I think, if my little 12-year-old brain remembers correctly. I'm pretty sure we fucked with people's dye tubs. Is reverse pickpocketing actually possible in UO Outlands? Can you steal from a thief? Absolutely. If that's what you're asking. Okay, so this is now working. But now if I actually output the skill selection, it no longer happy, right? It no longer happy there. So I need the skill options and the build, which means I need the loader data, which means this is why I stopped, because the loader data has a lot to it. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. Actually, no, the loader data doesn't have a lot to it at all. It just has this, Jace. Boom, loader data. Control I, or control period. Get user at control period. Control period. There's probably a way to do it all, huh? There we go. Now if I save and play that. I'm going to say save and play just because I'm so used to saying it during the scripts, but I'm just saving the file, I'm not actually playing it. You can't put stuff people in oh yeah, no, you can't put something in people's pocket. Placing items into someone's backpack, the UO Robin Hood. That's funny. Okay, so now that we're here, guys, let's make sure that this works. Copy all, paste. Okay, perfect. So that's my build from pasting in. Pretend this went away. Just remember, we're trying to remake this thing. Paste. It went away, right? Because you don't see that. You're only trying to like, oh, okay, I want alchemy. And then the moment you choose alchemy, it goes away. So alchemy is going to show up on your build, and then it gets removed from this list because you can't add alchemy twice. So that's what we're going to build out now. If I apply alchemy, I want it to pop into the parse skills and then remove from this list. We're 13 minutes in? How? No, 15 minutes in? Technically like 20 minutes in. The server's back down? Oh shit, it sure as shit is. Lost connection. Okay, we're gonna continue on. We're gonna keep trudging, guys. We gotta trudge along here. So Jace, how are we gonna do this? Well, this sorting function is what makes the build here, is what filters out what's returned or not. Guy Valor. Guy Valor. I still haven't updated the alerts to be the Jace elements, the Jellements. So we're gonna wait for it. But thank you, Guy Valor. Thank you. Look, I'm just gonna have my bot say it. Okay, my bot's gonna say it before they say it.
You got this, Jace. We believe in you.
Thank you. Thank you, Guy Valor. I guess today is a great day for Website Wednesday. Exactly. Guy Valor, thank you for your donation. Thank you for your continued support. We got this. Okay, so in this particular function, I'm actually passing in the build here. But in this other example, I was just using this parsed array. So we actually want to change the parsed array to be data.build. And so how are we going to do that, Jace? That's a great question. That is a fantastical question. Technically, we want
a toll, and a roll is a roll.
And if we don't get no tolls, then we don't eat no rolls.
You got this, Jace. We believe in you.
Thank you, Guy Valor. We got this. I believe in us. I'm sorry that Outlands is getting DDoSed. It's not me. It wasn't me. Have you seen me program? Of course it wasn't me. I'd never be able to finish. I'd start Googling it and then I would get distracted. Okay. So technically data.build. The reason why I needed to come from the data, because technically when we load this data, like this loader here is running on the server, and what we're eventually going to do is we're going to get the build like based on the query, but also the database, right? So we're going to be able to like load the build based on the database lookup or a query string lookup or nothing, right? Because when you hit the page, I want to know what am I trying to build. Damn, those servers are in Horseshoe Bay. They're blowing up right now. One packet would send and move on to the next. One key, farm and bot. Sounds scary. You're missing some linting and formatting in your code. Absolutely, I am. I don't know how to set that up in this project. If it's not already in the project, I'm not doing it. And it wasn't already in the project. This was like the very first you know, like I'm building like matchsticks, you know, like you guys might see like a tower and all I see is like I just like popsicle sticks. I'm just popsicle sticks and playing cards. That's all it is. Some people might see an ivory tower. It's literally could blow over at any moment. Is your code open source? I'll do it. No, so this is not open source, unfortunately. It should be. That's another to-do item. Like, oh, God. Okay, so here's the problem with me. Story time. Ideally, projects like this, I open source. The problem is, I like to do everything myself, to my own detriment. Like, to my own dismay. I like to recreate the wheel. I don't want people to help me, but I should. Like, imagine where we have like teamwork and we work together and build shit. I'm not very good about sharing. But I should. Wait, Hawk 47. I totally fucked up your name. Ace Hawk 74, 73 was taken. Thank you for the follow. How are you? Are you a bot? Ace Hawk. Okay. One thing at a time, Jace. Neske, I appreciate your offer. One day I will get this open source. You can help me out. Shit. Okay. I'm like paralyzed now. This is so... Have you ever been like live streaming and then you feel like an idiot and then your brain is going like in all these different directions and you want to do everything else but what you're working on because you get flustered? Like, that's what's happening right now to me. It's not that I don't want to work on something else. I'm just like so flustered that I'm like, eh. Because in theory, I start over, but I don't need to start over. Like, why is that an answer? Why is the answer in my brain? You should start over, Jace. That's not a good answer. Like, that's not a good thing. We have the framework. We have it built. Don't shush. You know? Shush, Jace brain. Shush it up. We're gonna go back. We got this. So anyway, as far as filtering this build. We could just pass parsed array. But I want to do it the other way. Oh god, what is this now? Skill form is not assemblable to type skill. Oh, because it's different. Of course it's different. Skill form type is a name and a value. And this is a name item stats. Switch that for now. Skill form type. Okay. The argument, okay, and that's that. So I'm gonna pass the parsed array. Jeez. Okay, just please save and build. Please just work. Just oops, wrong window. Okay, so we have the list. It's changing. If I hit apply and reset, it does nothing. This parse skill does nothing at the moment. If I take my old build and copy and paste this in, it should remove animal taming and shit. It was so close to working. It didn't. Why is that? If the build length and the name is equal to name, if not build length, or if it's not equal to each other, we'll do old console.log build, save and play, empty array right here. Boom, empty array. Sounds great. I'm gonna take this list, copy. We're gonna paste it, and let's see what our array says. Nothing, because it's not dynamically looking at it, is it? We also need this to run not only parse input, but we want it to update this. So I do want it to be data, right? Because the data is, what the fuck is remix? I use C# and jQuery, you know? Like, what am I doing to myself? Sorry, I don't mean to yell at you guys. Ah. Okay, data build. Because I need it to be that mutating bullshit that's in the silliness of the whole point I'm using this code. Wait, no. Parsed array. Goodness. Okay, website Wednesday is so okay. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, I took a deep breath. I'm flustered. I'm flustered with myself because I'm working on a project that I don't know a lot about, and I know what I want to build in my brain, but my brain and my hands are not cooperating. And when I'm programming in Razor, and by say programming, when I'm doing Razor shit, it doesn't matter. And this, I feel so much pressure on my shoulders to be good at this. And why? Ratty, hi. How's it going? You got this, dude. Take your time. Like, I literally just need to shut the hell up and do it. That's how I feel just trying to make scripts. Yeah. Yes, that's what it's like. God, it's so... I know what I want to do. I just am not... It's not working for me, you know? Thanks for watching me struggle, guys. I don't know do you guys ever heard of imposter syndrome? Because I have it fucking so bad right now. What are you trying to do? Why are you so stressed out about it? I'm just trying to build I just want to make what I've already done. So like 2 years ago, I made this build template thing, okay? And you could take your skills from Razor and you could paste it in here. Cool. And then I wanted you to be able to share this build. Right? And I made this. The problem is I made it like way back in the day. And the way I wrote it is it updates the URL every time you make a change. And so when I published it, I ran out of bandwidth because it was like I developed it dumbly. Can ChatGPT help here? I mean, it probably could. That's another thing that I don't know anything about, you know? Valor, like I'm sure it could, but then it's just introducing more shit, like more unknowns. I'm just like I build off each other, you know, like one more after the other. The magic mullet. Hello. Why don't you put a little DB backend instead of storing everything in the URL? No, that's what. So 3-Legged Loogie, that's what we're doing, right? So I basically wanted to take what I already had built, okay, and then I would allow you to like, you know, you can make your own build. Okay. Anyway, I want it to be on this site, you know, the actual site that I have published, okay? And so I've been adding it. I want to like make it happen. And I'm going to let you like build out the template, put a category on it, you know, like tell you your strength, you know, blah, blah, blah. And then give it a thing. And then I'm going to save it in a database. And then that way you can just share the URL. That's what we're doing. That's the whole point of this. That's why we're here. The problem is when I was taking the code from my old project and trying to put it in my new project is in TypeScript. My old project wasn't. And so I'm like struggle busting over here trying to like get the old pieces to fit. Don't take the old code, Ratty. Yes, you make sense. It makes a lot of sense. It's just hard because I'm like, I already fucking did this. You're trying to do too much. Yeah, we just talked about that too. So anyway, I made the parser. So if I copy all my things in here and I paste this in, I have that in the new code. Great. So that copies this. Boom. Right? So I have that portion. I have it right here. Fantastic. Now what I wanted to do is I want to make sure that I'm removing the skills that we've already parsed out so that you can't like select them again. Because again, you can only have, you know, you can't have animal lore twice, right? And if I put this to 0 in my thing, then it populates back into this list. You know what I'm saying? You'll finish faster and you won't lose any code. That's true. Well, then we talk about like this project in general. This project is running an old version, like the very first version of remix.run. And now there's like new ways to do remix.run. And so then I'm like, well, fuck, maybe I should just remake the like it goes back to like I start on one problem and then I'm like, how do I dissect that problem? And then that makes 2 other problems. And then I'm like, okay, well, I could choose it like that way. And then I could go to a different, you know what I'm saying? What's remix? Remix is like it's focused on standards and modernizing. It's something I backed. I actually paid, like I gave money like way early on when they were first making it. And so it's basically like an inline Node.js remix framework. Not remix, React. So your loaders and your actions are all in the same file. So it reminds me of Cold Fusion. Cold Fusion is my first love language. That was like my, beyond HTML, Cold Fusion was my first like real programming language. And this shit is how it was, right? Everything was procedural. You could have your actions in the same field, or, you know, same file. And when I saw this, I was like, oh shit, yeah. And so I backed it early on. And then they got purchased by Shopify. So they're part of, they got funded by Shopify. So now it's a real thing. Isn't everyone running away from React nowadays? Well, shit, dude. I don't know. Everybody's running away from YouTube too. Everyone's running away from Unity. I just installed that the other day. Look, I'm behind the times. Leave me alone. You could probably make more money if you scrap all this and just make Outlands OnlyFans. Fair. It's like choice paralysis, you know? There's like so many things. Why away from YouTube? Oh, I just on my feed on YouTube, it's like all these YouTubers are quitting. Like everyone's quitting. You know? And I'm like, did I miss something? And then I said to myself, yes, I did. I should have been doing YouTube like these people for the past 10 to 15 years. So I could also quit. Why? What did I miss? I think people are just burnt out. I don't know. Hopefully I can replace these people. What's the alternative? To go outside. They've made their money and they're quitting. Like, that's what I'm saying. I want to hate stream. I want to be able to like be mad that I'm logging into stream. I want to like be mad that I'm like, fuck, this is my job. You know? I work outside. It's awful, says DB12. Yeah. I hate outside as well, and I work inside. Okay. All right, just... I thought they were moving away from YouTube somewhere else. No, yeah, they're like all done. They've done their job, you know? Sailing off into the sunset. Retirement sounds good. Exactly. I'm quite a bit a ways off of retirement, aka never. But that's okay. You'll get there. I'll get there or I'll die trying. That's funny. Okay. All right, back at it, Jays. Just woosah, like you're saying. No judgments. We're all friends here. We got this. I believe in us. I'm gonna hide this real quick so it stops bothering me. And I'm just gonna focus back on what was I trying to do. I'm trying to pop a skill. I'm trying to pop a skill out of this list. When I hit apply, I want alchemy to pop down here, right? Like that's it. Just shush. Shush, Jace. We got this. Hashtag I believe. One step at a time. Exactly. Thank you. Your face says we don't have this. Damn it, Randy. Stop seeing right through me. I mean, I was at work all day, you know? And I was working on like, I'm actually going on a new team. I'm learning a bunch of shit at work too, which is probably not, this is probably the worst time for me to be streaming programming. But it's all good. We got this. I just keep saying that to myself. Anyway, so data build is technically, we want to submit the form. So this is what's funny about, I'm going to go over here again. Like this action data. I could potentially do it both ways. Let me go look at it, something I've already done. Like this is what drives me nuts. So that one, I'm not doing anything except posting the form. Got it. This one, I'm not doing anything besides using the props to display stuff. Got it. Same with this. I was trying to see if I have any of these, like any of these pages actually load using remix stuff. Okay, so it does. Mounted. So I am using state here. So that's good. I didn't know if I was trying to avoid using state or not. Because the whole point of React is you use state to manage face. I just... to manage face. Because I read your face says it all at the same time I said that. Okay. I do in fact want to use state to manage things. The loader data comes from the server. The default value here, I don't want to be just skill form type. I actually want it to be the data.build. Okay. And then since this is a skill and this is a skill form type, I'm actually going to get rid of skill form type and we're going to use skill. Okay. This parse data is no longer going to be a skill form type. It's going to be a skill. And now I just need to actually make sure that I use things correctly. And so value no longer exists in skill, but we're just going to go ahead and add it as an optional number. Save. Here we go. I'm learning. Yeah, exactly. Okay, and then the fact that we don't have the other things is also makes it unhappy. So I'm actually going to make stats and items optional as well. There we go. Now we're cooking. We're cooking with rice. It's not that saying, Jace. What is it? You're cooking with gas. Cooking with rice, guys. Jeez. Anyway, then instead of passing build, we want to pass the parsed array. Okay. All right. And then I want to make sure that we're outputting the parsed array. So I'm going to bring this back. See, oops. Whoa, Jace. Whoa. Control KU. Save, Control S. Now we're doing it. Now, if I paste this in, copy all. It shows that, which is fine, but it still didn't remove that. Okay, that's fine. Stop. We're not doing paste, Jace. We're doing apply. We need the apply to work. We're working on apply. I'm gonna cut this out so I don't see this shit. Okay, and data.build is empty at the beginning. So let's go ahead and just say alchemy. Let's give this build a value of was it name? Alchemy. With a value of 100. Now, if I save this, it should show up on the screen, Alchemy 100, and it's gone. So that's working. So now we want to hit apply to apply another one. We're getting closer, guys. We're doing it. We're getting so close. I'm just going to leave that there. Alchemy is going to be part of every build at the moment. We're doing it. I'm learning. So now we want the button apply to actually apply the skill. Again, going back to how Remix works, technically this should be wrapped in a form, and then this should be an actual button, because this is Remix. This is Remix. This shouldn't be button, this should be button. And I'm going to import that. Or no, I'm not going to import that. Maybe button just works. Yeah, so see, we're submitting the form at that point, which I don't necessarily want to do. So I'm going to go over to my new thing that I've totally messed up. And just to see what I'm doing with the form. Method post. Oh. Need method post, Jace. Form method post, which is great. This is fine. This is all fine. So these should be submitting the form. And now we need to actually apply the skill that's selected. Take a breath. Take a breath. Boom. We don't care about that. So it's action data. So the default value is action data. So my problem here is I don't know how I don't know how this would work in Remix. Has the new content come out? Is that why it's being DDoSed? I don't think so. Gamer helps and tips. I think they're just being attacked. Also, do I need to do this in Remix? Do I need to submit a form? Should I just use React? Technically, the point of Remix, by the way, too, is if somebody has JavaScript disabled, which nobody does in freaking 2024, but if you did, everything still works correctly, because it's all of these posts and shit are just like HTTP requests. And if you have JavaScript enabled, then this like the Remix framework takes over. But if it doesn't, then it just posts like it normally would. It's also very fast, which is why I like it. Because like here, like shit loads extraordinarily quick. Oops, I'm on my local host. Shit loads extremely quick here. Like just with how it's all set up, it's like very fast. Hopefully it's fast like that for you guys. I don't know if it is. Anyway. So, I want the but. Should I just pseudocode this shit? Should I just be talking to my instead of just? I should be. Needs to remove the item from and add to data.build. But is it data.build at that point, or is it... It's technically parsed data. Paste the data. Parsed array. Like on click. Like, am I just doing, should I just do am I just doing... Jay, so you're just doing React at this point? And then why? Why are you just doing React? If you're using Remix, why are you using React? I mean, it's available. That's part of it. But do I really need to use all these refs? And chances are yes, because I technically want to validate the shit afterwards. Do I use ref on these other ones? No, you use action data, Jace, because action data is how you submit the form. So if you're going to go through the chances of adding refs, you should just use action data and submit the form. You're right, Jace. That does make sense. I need to get rid of this shit out of this other file. No, I've already added it. No. 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 That's what I said. Duh, says DB12. Thanks, DB12, for the reference. For the backup. You know, I was actually thinking like, damn, Jace, you're gonna do so good on this stream. It's gonna just, you're gonna like make so much progress. You're definitely gonna be done, and you're gonna have to figure out something else to work on next time. I've literally spent an hour and I have like nothing to show for it. You know, like it's, ugh. That's the best part when you start talking to yourself. Yeah. I mean, again, that's what I'm doing. Like, if the camera wasn't on, like here, like maybe that's my problem. Maybe I should just turn that off. Maybe I should just be like, where the hell's my camera view? That's chat. Maybe this will help. Maybe if I just, maybe if you just don't see me. Are you even going to get anything done tonight or what? That's basically what is happening in my brain right now. Thank you, Louis, aka Jace's brain. It's website Wednesday, and I'm not even fucking making any progress on the GD website. It peeks through window. I see you. All right, the fact that we haven't made any progress on the website, I'm going to do a push-up. I'm gonna do 10 push-ups. Let's do it. It's a fitness stream. We're doing 10 push-ups. I know you guys can't see me, but I'll count them out, okay? You can hear me struggle. I'll come back with a red head. Here we go. 10 push-ups. Here we go. 1. Oh, fuck. 2. Here we go. 3. Let's get the blood pumping. 4. 6. Maybe I can't do 10. 7. This last was a struggle. 10. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's a fitness stream. It's a fitness stream. Okay. If we can't program, we're gonna have to build muscle so we can take our shirt off on camera, you know? By the end of this stream, we'll be doing 50 push-ups. I feel good. Louis wants to know who's mad at Outlands. Me. Fucking Outlands. Re-energized. Ready. That cup has been possibly sitting there too long. It tastes like dust. Okay. You wanna hear what I'm thinking? Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I don't think we could do that. I mean, we could have done that, though. No, I'm not on a phone call. No, I'm just thinking. Like, if we went back to the drawing board and we thought, Jace, you know, instead of doing a website stream, like, just get some boobs on your stream, okay? And get some ads going, get some cams, you know, get your social medias, you know, a cat cam, a foot cam, Jason a pool. The chat can show up here, you know? And we just make money. Right? Instead, I'm over here literally going like this. Oh God. This is the hardest problem I've ever had to solve. And it's literally not that hard at all. Like, it's like I do like I do this kind of a shit for my job. It's just I'm using a framework I'm not used to. And instead of actually looking at the fucking docs like I should be, like, Jace, like, do what you would do at work. Stop pretending you know everything. You gotta just Google shit, bro. I want select option. Boom. Okay. Jesus. Use fetcher? What the hell's fetcher? Fetcher.form. Just like form, but it doesn't cause navigation. Fetcher.submit. Do I use fetcher in any of my other project? I'm assuming I do. I have reflux from doing push-ups. Is that normal? Jace, fix the DDoS. Yeah, I can't even fix this fucking form. I don't think I'll be able to fix the DDoS. Like, again, it goes back to just do what you know, Jace. You don't know anything, Jace. You're stupid. You don't know what you're doing. They're all gonna laugh at you. I'm doing like a Carrie moment right now. Like, I got fucking blood spilled on me at a dance. This is so stupid. And then, like, my brain, like, going back to what Ivalor said, like, can't we just use ChatGPT for this? And I think, hell yeah, we probably could. And should I just do that now? But should I just go ahead and, like, make a brand new project and start with ChatGPT and open source the shit? That way we can all ChatGPT our way to victory. Yeah, ChatGPT, help me create a website for Ultima Online. Please? Are you talking about the game that came out in 1997? Yes. No interest was found. You're old. What? You're being kind of rude, ChatGPT. All right, let's go on a tangent. We need some squirrels in our lives. We're gonna go on a quick tangent. If I do a search for Ultima Online, Ultima Online. I misspelled Ultima Online. Holy shit. Anyway, if I'm on Twitch and I search for Ultima Online, it's got 49,000 followers. Okay? So, like, potentially, there's 49,000 people playing the game. You know, and then I think, like, what other games do you like, Jace? I play EverQuest. I like EverQuest. Where the hell's EverQuest? EverQuest has 91,000 followers. Right? So you potentially have a bigger audience if you played EverQuest. You know, and then I think, well, I don't want to like play EverQuest on the stream, and then you think like, oh, I loved League of Legends. League of Legends. League of Legends has 37 million followers. So Ultima Online has 50,000 people, and I'm rounding up. And some of these other games have 37 million. So like what was Dark and Darker? Like that looked like a cool one. I haven't actually played it. But Dark and Darker, 148,000 followers. I haven't actually played this game, but it looked cool. Mortal Online 2. I played a bunch of Mortal Online 2. Never on stream. It's approaching. It's approaching. The same as UO. Wifebot says, and? Wifebot, I'm struggling. I'm over here struggling on the website Wednesday. I'm over here just judging the shit out of myself. Oh, and soccer Rocket League. Oh yeah, what's I don't know why that didn't show up on in my view. Let's see what Rocket League is. It's a great question. How many does Rocket League have? Rocket League has 17 million followers. There's 17 million people that follow Rocket League. Ashes of Creation. 42,000 people follow it. And we just got people talking about the potential of the game. Anyway. Just make your website, Jace. You got this. I believe in you. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to me. To me just shitting. You know, not shitting, but you know what I'm saying. Not doing what I think I would do. Bigger hype. The bigger the hype, the bigger the flop. When UO just keeps kicking ass, that's true. Pimp Daddy Cool. Is Outlands back up? Shit, I gave away my rune book. What was I doing? Ah, what am I doing, Jace? What are you doing? What are you doing? Just work on the fucking website, dude. Like, this is the whole point of this thing. The whole point of Wednesday. Why am I struggling? Why is it getting hot in here? Squirrel. 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 Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Squirrel. Do something fun. What sounds fun? It's really nice of you, wife bot, to say that. Are you guys about to only make OnlyFans? Yeah, that does sound fun. How come I put so much pressure on myself? You know? You're supposed to put the pressure where it says they feel best? Is that what it is? Ah. Shoes is making some sexy hues on test. Doo-doo-doo. That was me. Sorry about that. Do what any programmer goes. Go to Stack Overflows. That is true. All right, so the server's having problems. My brain is having problems. Today isn't the website day. Go have fun. No, but today's the website day, you know? Like I had this whole thing planned for Website Wednesday, and I'm it's not Wednesday. I've uninstalled League of Legends. Sorry, WifeBot. League of Legends has been uninstalled. I can't play that fucking game. Is this what up? Kill stole. Should play Rocket League. Should play Rocket League. I don't know what I'm doing. Where are your pants? I lost my pants. Shit. I wish Outlands was up. It's like literally the perfect time to work on the website, and I'm not doing it. I'm not feeling it. Blah. Outlands is up? It was giving me an error. I was just trying to like log in. Okay, it is up. Okay, we're over here. We're just gonna do this. Okay. It's been a good run. We're gonna play UO. I feel like I've let myself down. Why? Stop it, Jace. I'm gonna edit the stream title to be Website Wednesday is canceled. Wednesday. I can't even spell Wednesday right now. I'm so flustered. Did Owen put someone in jail and they got mad or something? I have no clue what happened. At least I have pants now. Yeah. Okay, so where we left off is we were gonna make some hotkeys for being a treasure mapper. Okay, we have T and 1. 1 was too fast, too furious. I'm gonna have to add Control-Shift-O in here. Control-Shift-O in. We're gonna set as a hotkey. Control-Shift-O. Set. So I can put my loot away. Control-Shift-O. Where should item go? They should go right there. There goes all my loot. Target a variable for loot bag. Jute bag. This guy right here. Okay. Technically, I should just go ahead and like edit the loadout and have a bag just like I normally do. We'll do some of that. Oops. We'll do some of those. We'll do some of that. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna continue on the... Oh, and I want to bind a smart heal as E. Smart heal E. Just in case we need a heal. But anyway. So we're gonna work on treasure. Too fast, too furious. From Tuesday. Mood lights and music. So when are you gonna do whatever so people can subscribe on Twitch? I need to set up. God damn it! Again, going back to like, there's so many things to do. I need emotes, and I need like to choose what like the points are, and actually subscribe. And actually, you know, accept the terms, submit my social security number, etc., etc. Such as more shit to do that I don't have. Oh, fuck, man. Like, everything has something to do. There's so much to do. And all I want to do is play this fucking game. Like, that's my other problem. It's not a problem. Everything's fine. This is fine. Where did we leave off? Get near a chest. We'll try to hide. If not hide, it will viz. Loot that shit and go. Okay? We need to know if we have tools. We need to make sure we are still near chest. Oh, and range of chest. It was just on another line. Slow down the picking. We're gonna do a set timer. Retry Jaseowns. Use Gump timer. And we'll set it to 3 seconds. And then we're gonna say if Jaseowns UGump timer is greater than or equal to 3. We'll set this as a variable so we can change it later. Set bar. Golly, what? I'm so frustrated. Cooldown. 3,000. Okay, that's the cooldown. This is the timer. If the timer of this is greater or equal to than the cooldown timer, then do this bad boy. And set the timer of the Jaseowns use Gump timer to 0. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to make sure that we can go ahead and pick the locks and clear the traps and do all the goodies. And I just need to do this before this other one as well. And instead of Gump response 7, it's going to be Gump response 4. Okay, and basically, again, what we're doing is we're just trying to slow down the craziness that was us picking very quickly. Let's go to Mausoleum. 1 on the keyboard. It precasts invis, remember? So here's one right here. This is locked and trapped. It's ready to go. Boom. It hit us. It is progressing. It says you must wait a few moments. You remove the trap. So I technically am still wrong. I think 3 seconds is too soon. Or is it? It looked like it works. Boom. Now, why didn't it insta-loot? It should have insta-looted. Why didn't it insta-loot? Because nothing's working right for you, Chase. That's why. Cleared of locks. Cleared of traps. You must wait a few moments. Don't block me, bro. All right, let's see if it works. We're gonna hit 1 on the keyboard. Invisibled. Oh, wow. I guess I need to turn war mode off after we invis. Do you have loot goblins like in Diablo 3? No. There are not loot goblins in this particular game. Every monster is a loot goblin. E on the keyboard, we're healing ourselves. 1v1 script engage, what the hell? So when we hide, we also want to go war mode off. So let me fix that. If target is this, target cell. War mode off. War mode on, war mode off. Okay, save and play here. It appears to be devoid of traps. All right, 1 on the keyboard. I think the world save messed with it a little bit. Also, I need to fix this timeout thing. Yeah, because see, it's finishing, and I feel like it's waiting another full round before it picks, or before it loots. Which is not what we want to see. We're going to say 3,500. Actually, we'll just do 4 seconds. Or is it 3,500? I don't know. I don't know what the timer is on here. Technically, we don't even need a timer if you have that, like, automatically selected thing. Save and play. It's already picked. Perfect. Nothing's in range. Nothing is in range. I'm hurt, so ideally it would heal me. Right? Not in line of sight. I'm absolutely being devastated. So why is there still a delay after we loot? Oh, because it's looking for... My thing's trying to... My computer's trying to reboot. Not now. So instead of doing wild lockpick 1, just need to do... We're gonna heal while he's over there. One on the keyboard. Nothing in range. So line of sight is an issue right there. So the script's a little bit shitty about line of sight. We're gonna need to fix that. It looted it better. Hashtag progress. One on the keyboard. Is there one in here? Is there a chest in here? I don't even know. Doesn't look like it. There's not, Jace. Wasted your time, sir. Already opened. Already opened. Oh shit. We've been dead. We're dead. We've been dead. Rip. Okay. Is this Monday? Is this a Monday stream? This might be the final stream. I might not make it. I might not make it back tomorrow. It was a good run. Oh, you're there? Where you at? Where do I need to stand? I'll wait here. Thanks. Thanks, 04017. You're the best. Thank you. Shit, I need to set up Lifty Loot, guys. Let me bind Lifty Loot to L on my keyboard. Set hotkey L. Lifty Loot. You might say, Jace, you never set Lifty Loot setter. Yes, I did. It was part of shit. It was part of L on the keyboard. God damn it. It was part of my thing. Missing arms, missing legs. That's right, Jace. You got this. Don't show your fear. Don't show that you're upset right now. Don't let him know that you're about to freak the fuck out. Everything's good. It's okay. L on the keyboard. And I just need to hide, Jace. Just hide. You have the hiding skill. Like, God. Thank you all, follow. I appreciate you. I don't know why. I am so flustered right now. Like, it's just a game. I'm just mad at myself. Not because I'm dying, but because I feel like I should be working on a website, and now I'm over here playing a game, and I'm dying in the fucking game, you know? You guys ever get like that? Does that ever happen to you? You ever do some shit that you're like, okay, here's what I should be doing. And then you're like, I'm just gonna do this for a little bit. And you're like, then you do that shit for a little bit and you're like, wow, why did I do that shit for a little bit, you know? Does that ever happen to you guys too? I should be setting it up so I get paid to play, true. What the hell am I doing here? I'm trying to turn on some shit. Always random message. Auto open doors, smooth doors. Auto open corpses. Skip empty corpses. Show hit points percentage. Both. Smartly. Are under feet. Always. Grid loot. Both. There we go. That's really what I wanted, was grid loot. Because I want to set the loot back to this goddamn guy. Okay, boom. Here we go. And technically, I want to set it to this guy. No, I want to set it to the pouch. And the pouch is going to go in there. Okay. We're almost good to go. One on the keyboard. Already opened. Okay, let's go back up to the other level. I get pretty pissy when I get PK'd. I'm alright getting PK'd, like, every now and then. Like, obviously, I don't want to, like, always get PK'd. So some of the other stream said, ooh, set grab hot bag item should target our jute bag. Hell's jute bag at? Where do I set jute bag? There we go. So if var exists jute bag and set grab item hot bag, there we go. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy this shit. We're gonna go over to the treasurer. Too fast, too furious. And what I want to do is I want to say if var exists jute bag and find jute bag in our backpack, then we want to set that grab item hot bag as jute bag. That way when we're looting, it goes in our bag. That way when we die, we can easily recover our bag, our loot, our jute. Wow, it is absolutely spamming the shit out of that. We don't want to spam the shit out of that, Jace. Is there a way to see if it's already the hot bag? Get label, jute bag, description, overhead, description, stop. Save, play. Just a pouch. Maybe I should do this as part of the end of... Oh shit, we're live. Not for long, dude. I'm dripping blood. I was trying to do Website Wednesday and it did not work out for me. The Website Wednesday, I have tears in my eyes now. Why? While I'm rapping. Damn it, I even messed that up. I got tears in my eyes now while I'm rapping. Why? Because something sad happened. Yeah. Technically, I want this to be at the end of the Control-Shift Owen. Because I don't want it as part of this. I want it as part of Control-Shift Owen. Checks uptime. No, the website's up. It's just I made zero fucking progress. Like literally zero progress. No, that's not true. I made a little bit of progress. I made 2 steps of progress. It's real world coding though. I know, but like it pisses me off. And I know it shouldn't bother me. It shouldn't. Right? Like it shouldn't bother me, but it's fucking bothering me. Nothing in range. Sometimes you gotta spend hours chasing like a fuck up. That is true. In my case, it was like, I know what I want to build. It's just the language that I'm using is not, it's just not jiving with my brain right now. Like I'm trying to use a framework that I'm not familiar with. And instead of going to the documentation and actually fucking reading it, I'm not doing it. You know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not doing a good job. And then I'm mad at myself for not doing a good job. You know? Thank you for telling me it's upstairs. We definitely need to work on the, if I can't line of sight it. I wonder if there's a trick we could do to check line of sight before I release. How come the gold went in my main bag, but the map went in my loot bag? What the hell just happened? That's what I'm saying. Everything's going weird today. All right. Let's step outside this dungeon real quick. Did someone take your name on AOS Reboner? You mess around in there too? No. So they're not unique. So you can make as many as you want. So I do have a character on there. Named Jaseowns, shockingly enough. You're talking about this one, right? Yeah. So I got here. I'm boom. Look, we're playing multiple UO servers. Yeah. Yeah, no, this is me. No pants. No pants, Jace. But technically it's like not. You could be anybody. Hot tub Jace. Okay, Control Shift O here. This should run the script correctly. I'm gonna do Control Shift O again just to like put shit away. Okay. You should do a 0 skills to homeowner series or something. No outside influences, new character. Or 0 to 1,000,000, no echoes. I see what you're doing. Picking up what you're putting down. Grab item. I want to go see if this is working now. I'm surprised you didn't show up when I said Eve. I said Eve online, and you weren't here, Andy. Already opened. Nothing in range. There's one. What a nice evening here to play some online games. Well done, sir. Okay, cool. There. It's going in my bag now. Thank goodness. Let's go. Already opened. Here we go. Anyway, somebody in the other stream said like you should summon Earth Elemental Pet so that they take aggro. Should I handle that in this script? Should I make this script be the mage that you run around? Should I like have hiding be a flag? It's got a blood extract. What should I do with this script? Like being invisible should be a flag, right? Nah. Is invisible even worth it? Let people summon their own Ellie. That's true. Technically, I guess we don't even need to worry, because if you have your own Ellie, let me just summon one. I think this character has enough magery. Who the fuck's Earth Elemental? Am I blind? Yes. I don't have enough. I have 88.8 magery. We're out here we're gaining magery skill. What are we doing tonight? Jesus. No. All right, I'm gonna hit one on the keyboard. Fuck. Nothing's going my way. It's a wacky Wednesday. It's a wildin' out Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. It's a why are we here Wednesday? Shit. What? Yeah. Like what are you doing, Jace? What are you doing Wednesday? I don't know, everybody. Oh, there's a Paragon Fire Ant. Somebody kill it. I don't have enough magery. See if we can I have no I should, you know what? It doesn't matter. None of this matters, Joe. There's a Paragon Fire Ant there if you want to get it. I believe in you guys. Already open, already open. Let's go. Anyway, what else do we need to do to this script before we post it? This is postable, right? Posty McPosterton? I don't know. One on the keyboard. I'm sitting here in my mind still mad at myself. Why? Stop it. Okay, I'm just gonna go to bed. I think that's what I need to do. I need to go to bed. I'm tired. I'm late tired. We'll then take a nap. And then fire the missiles. Yo, Surge, hello. How are you? I'm Feisty McFeisty Pants right now. I'm mad at myself. I see you go to bed. It's official. There's someone's making progress on that chest right now. They just opened it. Look at that. Did you play a 5K LAN and blow up the server, or did it actually get DDoSed? I'm assuming it's not me. I wasn't on. It wasn't me. But they got you on us over. It wasn't me. You got the ant? Perfect. Ooh, level 6. Let's go. There's probably everyone doing that new mining script that Owen was spamming you about. No, everything's fine. Oh, shit. That's got whacked. All right, we got the traps all taken care of. We've gained a lockpicking skill. Holy shit. What do we get? 2 citrines, a bow, a shepherd's crook, and 17 gold. Or 1700 gold. Hashtag worth. I'm also gonna take this armor that's here. These items are mine now. Shit. Alright, I'm manually hiding. That was a bit spicy. Yeah, apparently I don't know what I'm doing. I'm manually hiding and I'm manually stealth. We're gonna go get this little chest over here. Is it working? Am I stealthing? Hopefully. How the hell do you get up there? I hit 1 on the keyboard. It should just work. I should probably heal myself because I'm going to die to the trap. Does triggering a trap instantly kill you? If not, does the script have a scenario to heal when you do? It currently doesn't. So as a matter of fact, I'm probably going to die right here and then I'm going to get even madder and I'm going to log off. Just kidding. I successfully did it. Whew. It's kind of weird because I don't know the best way to handle like, is it safe to try to heal right now? You know? Did I run out of lockpicks? I don't know why my script's not working. Continuous lockpick is off. I know, but I never turned it on. My script should be trying to do the lockpick. Oh shit. We're getting out of here. Fuck it. Oops. What the fuck is going on? No! My script is not happy. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god. I'm so aggravated right now. Stop the script. Go in the gate. Outpost. We're logging off. It's a good run. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm all done for the day. I'm gonna go jump in an ice bath. GG. I think this stream, 100, okay, wait, real quick. This stream, this stream, this one. This stream is probably like the most mad I've ever been at myself on the stream. 180 something fucking streams. I am so mad right now. It's too many streams in a row. I can't do it. Yeah, exactly. Okay, this is called officially I burned out myself. I burned it out. I burned out. I thought I was going to be able to do all this shit. I can't. See you guys tomorrow. Just kidding. Fuck. Anyway. Lower your expectations, man. Dude. My expectations are so low. They're so low. I could just step over them. Look. Look. My expectations, they're right here. They're right here. Step. I could just step right over it. I could just step. My camera's too high. The camera is too high. I couldn't get it. It's too much. I mean, also learning new stuff is frustrating as fuck. Well, true. It can be fun. I was hoping it was going to be fun. Thank you for hanging out with me on a website Wednesday. I will see you guys tomorrow. You'll feel better when we can subscribe. Dual Nature is now following. Thank you, Dual Nature. Hopefully you're not a bot. Sideshow Dad, I appreciate that. Guy Valor, thank you for the donation. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you for spending your Wednesday with me. I'm sorry that the website didn't work out. I'm sorry that the Outlands went down. Why am I apologizing? It's not my fucking fault. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I gotta like undo that. Had to follow you with as many scripts. Perfect. Yeah, let's go raid Pwn Star. Nighty night, cranky pants. Yeah. All right, peace. We're gonna raid Pwn Star. I'm not even gonna do the who gets to choose. Hope you guys have a good one. Let's go raid Pwn Star. Dual Nature, thank you again. Avlor, thank you. Bye bye. Pwn Star 85 because 84 was taken.